guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Armstrong number. So what is Armstrong number? So the number of the Armstrong number is the sum of the power of each digit is equal to the number itself, and the power is nothing but the order, and order is nothing but the number of digits in the number. So let's take an example. If we have ABCD as a number, so we will calculate the power of each and every digit with respect to order. So order is nothing but the number of digits in the number. So let's take an example like 153. So in 153, number of digits is equal to 3. So we are calculating the cubes of each and every digit. So 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3, which is equal to 1 plus 125 plus 27, which is equal to 153. So we can see that the number and its all the digits cubes is equal to the number itself. So this is called as a Armstrong number. So how to implement a program in a Python that can validate that the number is a Armstrong number or not? So let's implement this program. So here we have created the main.py file. So in the main.py file, we are taking the input from the user. So num is equal to input of. So I will just assign like please enter the number. And after that, what I will do here, like I will create one temporary variable and I will just assign the integer of number to the temp variable, and then I will calculate the length of the number. So it will be useful to calculate the power. So after that I will just like assign the integer value of the number to number itself, and let's write a while loop here. Before writing a while loop, let's create a sum variable is equal to 0, then while temp is greater than 0. So yeah, while temp is greater than 0, and after that we wanted to separate the digit, so we will create a digit variable here. Digit is equal to temp, then percentage 10, so it will give one by one digit. Then sum is equal to sum plus whatever digit into the power. So power is nothing but the length. And then after that we will separate temp variable with that digit. So temp is equal to temp divided by 10. So this is the way in which Python we can write the plus is equal to or divided by is equal to, and I will write just the condition here, num is equal to sum, then the number is the Armstrong number, otherwise number is not an Armstrong number. So I will just type it here and else print. So the number is not an Armstrong number. The number is not an Armstrong number. Okay. So let's run this program and we'll see what is the output of the program. So yeah, so I will just type 1 2 3. So number is not an Armstrong number. Let's try for another. So 153. So the number is an Armstrong number. So this is how we can calculate or we can validate the number is Armstrong number or not in a Python program. So if you have any queries, please write a comment to the video section. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can always ask me. Thank you guys for watching this video.